Friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Let's talk about the Dollar General quarter sale that will be taking place on January the 24th, which is Tuesday, and it'll be running all week long, where everything remaining in the store that is Christmas themed should be ringing up for 25 cents. We're going to look at some UPCs and a little bit of intel on how to get the best deals. So a couple rules for you guys. I'm going to say that newly opened stores in your region where there's not a lot of regular shoppers, people have not been going there to get their Christmas stuff, that's probably where you're going to hit the big bonanza. Lots of stores have packed up a lot of their merchandise if they don't have a lot of room on the floor, and it's gone back to head office. So I would definitely say go and scout before Tuesday the 24th to see what your store might have. Non-updated stores on Tuesday the 24th, the item should be bringing up for a quarter, and then the stores that have been updated probably Wednesday the 25th. And I know that because whenever there's been like a 70% off or a 90 at these newly updated stores, usually the items do not ring up for the cost that they should be until the following day, which is a Wednesday. And to get a cashier to modify a whole bunch of stuff for 25 cents at these newly updated stores, good luck with that. I would just go on a Wednesday. Unfortunately, at these new updated stores, there will be no overage. You'll get the items for free, but no overage. So we're not going to really look at overage deals because there isn't very many, and it might be one of these contentious issues where it's just not going to work. I'm noticing that even stores that have been remodeled, you're not getting your overage. I've noticed that as well. The following week, which will be the 31st, the item should ring up for 10 cents. And the week after that, which will be the 7th of February, I think it should be ringing up for a penny if there's anything left. And definitely write out a budget for yourself, such as I'm going to spend $20, so I'm going to be looking for 80 items. So definitely these quarter items do add up, but 80 items for $20, a lot of value, especially when air care is part of it. The most important thing I could suggest is to definitely go out to your local Dollar General and scout and just see what they might have. As you can see, the air care is 50% off and the rest of the Christmas merchandise is 70%, but you're looking for a store that has a good amount of merchandise left. And the memo was dropped, I believe, last Thursday or Friday, so that's why I know that this is the real deal. You're also looking for these sort of end caps too with the air care because it might be still throughout the store. They have not merchandised it to the front. And then this guy, the Airwick, the plug and the oil, I know there's a $1.75 coupon. Unfortunately, it's not attaching to said product. I'm going to show you all the UPCs, but even for 25 cents, I think that is a killer price point if I've ever seen or heard of one. Just kind of look at the bigger picture that these items are $5, and if you're getting them for a quarter, like, guys, it's amazing. And definitely walk through the air care aisle and look for these goofy, Christmas limited edition, the packaging, because some of the stuff might end up in the regular air care aisle as well. And then all these Glade sprays that are usually like $1, 25 cents, at 75% savings. Yeah, I would get it. And not everybody's buying it at 50% off. A lot of this stuff is still just lingering at many stores that I visited on the weekend. This triple threat for 25 cents, I mean, that's a tremendous value. I know there's a 330 off of 2, but at these new updated stores, it's probably just going to be a free item. So, grab at least $5 of merchandise if you're at a non-updated store, especially if you grab a lot of the Febreze or something like that. So you have something to grab that overage if it's actually going to work for you. But I had a tremendous difficult time with that on the weekend. So that's why I'm not advocating it. Just grab at least $5 of stuff. If you have that 330 coupon, or if you're using the dollar off Febreze, grab at least 3 other items to get you to that dollar. But every kind of air care, it is Candyland that they're having for sale. Also, lots of these gold Santa, I don't think anybody liked him. So a $12 item for 25 cents, I mean, that would make a really nice Christmas gift, for somebody that has everything or they like Santa Clauses. Lots of this flower decor as well. Even if you wanted to rip out the flowers and just use the vase for 25 cents, that's an unheard of price as well if you like to, custom things or if you want a bunch of vases. Probably one of my favorite items for the sale is food. Look for it merchandise with the Christmas stuff or on an end cap, and lots of the stuff was just on end caps, which is weird. The Reese's miniatures, I mean, I know it's a holiday themed tinfoil wrap, but miniatures are miniatures. These don't expire till I think the summer, like August of 2023. So this is definitely one item I would buy all of them for 25 cents. And then we have the Ghirardelli squares also for a quarter. I remember one year I got an entire case of those. A lot of peppermint. And here is the UPC for this one. And if you're a baker, they have lots of this chocolate or almond bark, vanilla flavored by Clover Valley, which is the Dollar General brand, and 25 cents. They have a bunch, especially if you like to make like fudge. I know that that's a cornerstone ingredient. Lots of stovetop stuffing as well. I saw the canned pumpkin is always something that lingers right till the 10-cent day. So definitely be on the lookout for that. And lots of different disposable plates and cups and that sort of stuff. Also be on the lookout for that. 25 cents, definitely a stock up price for this. So mark your calendars. January the 24th, you have these UPCs. Visit your store, scan them, and get organized. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.